Welcome to another video related to ransomware virus. In this video we will discuss the Eijy virus, which is now very common for the PC. They are attacking every PC which is come in their way. So they many times they come from the torrent websites and some unknown website which are not verified by Google. So they paste and they do their link and they enter your PC and they encrypt your all the data, so you cannot use. Then they ask for a money to pay them and then they will recover your data. As you can see that in my PC they have attacked my PC with .vvoa. In your case they may be Eijy. Okay, so it depend upon the which ransomware have attacked you and what type of encryption they have used. So first of all I am telling you the three method by which you can recover your computer, and then I am telling you the fourth method by which you can decrypt your all the encrypted data. So please we start it. Please follow all the instruction carefully. First of all, when they attack your PC, first thing you have to do is turn off your internet. After turning off your internet from here, then go to the task manager option of the computer. In the task manager option you will see some unknown process will be running in the background of your PC. So you have to turn off all the unknown processes which are running in your PC. Okay, let's see, I show you here. So I have turned off all the unknown background process running in my PC. This thing you have to do it also as well. Okay, as you can see that I have. So when you see the some unknown process running in your PC, you have to, first thing you have to do is just select it, just like that, select it and click on the end task, right? Okay, second and the third thing, go to the C drive, okay, then go to the window option, then go to the system32 folder, then go to the system32 folder. Okay, and then after going to the system32 folder, go to the driver, then go to the etc, and then you will see the host file. Okay, so here you will see some unknown IP addresses which have entered in your PC. This is your own PC 127.0.0 localhost. Okay, below that you will see here some unknown IP addresses which have been entered in your PC. You have to select all the unknown process just like that. It will be below here and website will be attached like that. Just like you can see that this is the website attached with the, this is the example of some ransomware. They have shown you an example. Okay, just you have select here like that and I click on the delete option and then click on the save button. Now you have save your PC from the you have disconnected your PC from the ransomware attacker. So now I am telling you the method by I am telling you four software which you can use to decrypt your data. I will also put the link of the all the software in the description section of the channel as well. Okay, these are the four software which you can use to, these are the four software. One is Amisoft, second is Shadow Explorer, third is Photorack, fourth is free malware removal tool. And I will also paste the link of, this is the link of website from where you can download as well. I will paste this link in the description section of the video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.